Hi everyone, I will show you how to do a poll on Snapchat. First of all, you need to take a picture in Snapchat and tap to a sticker icon on the top right and tap to a poll. Now you can ask a question right here, and if you want to change the emoji, then tap to emoji and select your emojis. Now your poll will be applied on the picture.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.